Good day guys, have a great day. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to install SinryVip and how to set it up. Alright, so once you complete your order from SinryAdvice.net, you're going to go to the next page, which is download page. You're going to download the file. So after download, it's going to be a zip file. You're going to unzip it and it's going to look like this. Alright, so when you open the file, you're going to have 3 folders and 1 guidebook, which is gonna tell you how to install, what is the best setting. You can read here and follow the instruction, or you watch this video for better understanding. Alright, so there is 3 files here. This is the robot file, and this is a news filter file, and these are your preset files. Alright, let's install in your MT4. Alright, so we have mentioned in the guidebook, once you're done with the order, you need to have license key in order to use your robot. So you need to email to support@SinryAdvice.com with your demo or live account number, and then our team gonna issue the license key to you, and then you're gonna use it for activation activating the EA. Alright, so I'm gonna open my Forex broker. Alright, so this is my Oppo Forex Group broker account. This is a live and real account with $100,000 inside. Alright, so when you open your MT4, you just go to your indicator, or when anywhere here, click create meta edit, and then press cancel, and here again you can just right click anywhere and open the folder. Alright, so what you're gonna do here is, once you open this folder, it's gonna take you to expert file. Alright, so you just need to go to your expert file and just copy and paste it here. That's it, I already done that. Alright, and then you go back to your MQL4, you go to your indicator folder of MT4, and then you're gonna go to your news filter, copy this news filter file and paste it in your indicator folder. I have done that already here. And then again you go back to your presets, and then here also you go to your presets, take this 5 and copy it here. Alright, that's all. You close this window, and here also you're gonna close this. You go here, you just right click somewhere here, refresh it, and then you're gonna see the SinryVip file here. Alright, so as we said, it's gonna work on 5 pairs. What you're gonna do is you're gonna add the 5 pairs one by one. Okay, one is EURUSD, one is GBPUSD. Whenever you open this, put them on 1 minute and make sure your auto trading is on. And also comes to these tools, options, expert advisor, and make sure this allow DLL is on. Alright, so EURUSD, GBPUSD, AUDCAD. I need to search for this. Alright, but I'm gonna use one file to show you to install, to make this video shorter. Alright, so once you open your chart, 1 minute auto trade on. Alright, time to add the EA. As you can see, SinryAdvice V3. You come here, you make sure, sometimes some of the MT4 you need to click here also, if on or off doesn't really matter. But then you go to your input and make sure you have your license key here, and then first of all you load the preset file. You come to input, you go to load, and you go to your preset MQL4, your presets folder, and since this is EURUSD, so I'm gonna load EURUSD set file. Okay, and since I have $100,000, so my I'm gonna go 1000 with 0.01 lot size for each 1000. So I'm gonna go to lot section here. So for my fund, it's gonna be 1.0. all right, so 1000 for each $1,000, $0.01, $2,000, $0.02, $10,000, 0.1, 100,000, 1. That's how you calculate. And then let me get my license key here. All right, then you just copy and paste your license key and press OK. All right, so this is how the setup is gonna look like. It's almost done. You need to see these notes here. If you don't see it, just right click, go to expert, remove it, all right, and then add again, all right, until you get it. Sometimes MT4 glitch, it can't read it, so it's normal. So once you see these notes here, news filter, yes, on, everything is perfect. So the rest is nothing to do. You don't need to touch anything, you don't need to do anything else. Just some more information about your broker. I already told you, and I already in the guidebook, but I'm gonna repeat it here again. The best is to use ECN account in Oppo Forex. Oppo Forex, I'm not really sure why, but the servers and the fees are so good with our EA. We try so many different brokers, they are still good, but you know, this is the best. But still, is up to you which broker you want to use, doesn't matter really. But make sure you follow our setting, make sure you read the guidebook and follow everything as we mentioned, and enjoy the profit with SinryVIP. Make sure you don't touch the input setting. This is the best setting and the low risk setting that we are giving to you. Trust our strategy, this is the best. We are in Forex for 12 years, we know what's the best, and our first priority is not blowing up account, not going to high drawdown, and then having a steady and consistent profit. Have a good day and enjoy the SinryVIP robot.